Hey y'all, it's Cbix here. You're welcome to my video. Today we are making black soup recipe. So black soup is a combination of different vegetables blended together to give that very dark look. It is commonly eaten by the Edo people and Esan to be precise. The health benefits of this soup is that it promotes digestion and also regulates blood pressure. The first thing I'm doing here is to season my protein and leave that to steam for a moment. And so if you're coming across my video for the first time, please watch the video to the end and also subscribe to join this beautiful family. And for my return subscribers, thank you for stopping by. So at this point, I'm removing my fish because it is halfway cooked and I don't want it to be scattered inside my soup. Then I'll go ahead to add more water to the beef and leave that to cook for some few minutes. So I'm using a combination of curry leaf, ugu leaf, which is vegetable, and white leaf. They called it white leaf as an English language, but the Edos have a name for it. I can't pronounce that. So and also uziza leaf. So I'm sorry I didn't film the blending process. I blended them together with some extra uziza seed, so you can see how smooth it's looking. Okay, I went ahead to check my protein and at this stage it was 70% cooked, and then I added my banga paste and just give that a good stir. So next I go in with my pepper mix. Here I have some pepper soup spices, and so I'm going to add that for some more flavor, and with some seasoning cubes, and just give that a quick stir. So I'll cover and allow that to cook for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I went in with some crayfish and my already blended leaf, stir a bit and cover to cook again for 5 minutes. At this point, you can see that my black soup is almost ready. Then, so if you've watched up to this level, it means I'm doing something right. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this soup. This is the stage where you had your locust beans, loka maggi. So but since I don't like it, I have to do without it. And but if you have it available, you can choose to use it for your own recipe. So next I'll go in with my dried fish and my mackerel fish stir, and also leave that to cook again for the last time. So you can see how bubbling the soup is making. So I added a little bit of salt to correct the taste. So always taste your food, take note. So guys, see the edges. You can see how this is how you know that your soup is almost ready through the edges. So I had to scrape that edges back into the pot and then give that another quick stir. So guys, this soup can be served with any swallow of your choice, but it is best eaten with starch. And that's it guys, serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.